stuff coming on. All that. Somebody put a band-aid on her fender for us. Which I didn't know.
And that fender that's gonna go.
Losing your fender a little bit.
Yeah, it's all good.
We got new ones coming. Waiting on fenders now. They're like on back order. Everything is.
Oh, there's a fender.
Oh, it's already coming off.
What you do to the light? What you do to the light? Let's go.
That rear fender is kind of small.
Oh yeah. We have fenders on order, but everything's on back order. Some exciting news today. We are finally getting rid of these piece of crap fenders. It's been months. Bye-bye fenders. Hopefully we'll have them on for Sierra Trek in 2 weeks. Stay tuned.
What's up, Wheelers? We got some more parts for the JK. Hopefully have them on by the time we go to Sierra Trek.
We were waiting months for some different ones. Still no ETA on those, so we just gave up. And got these.
We got some new parts for the JK. Some rear corners. EVO. So stay tuned for install.
Why do we need the corners?
You make me drive all the hard stuff. I still don't know what these are for. Doesn't say on their website anywhere. It's gonna add a lot of weight.
Got the fenders and the rear corners installed. Carnage 4x4 Adventures did the installation, of course. Please check out his channel, and he's gonna do a video on the actual install. Anyway, we're ready for Sierra Trek at Fordyce in 2 days. Please look out for that video. Appreciate you all for watching. See you on the next video.